Today I'll be guiding you guys on some basic setup on our platform. Now, firstly, when you come to this page, your file manager, and you come to search button. Now, when you come to the search button and you try to enter into, you try to fix in some words into your, okay, just a minute. I'm waiting for the VPS to pick up back from my network. So let's say right here I try to type. You can see that the language is showing is not English. To fix this is very simple. Just come down to this part here, then change the keyboard to English. So right now it's now showing back in English. Now secondly, I'll be guiding you on how to install MT4. It's very easy and straightforward. Already we have already made MT4 account already, which is this or this. But let's say you want to install your own MT4, you copy your file and you paste the file. Okay, so right now I want to, okay, I already have the file copied already to my system. So right now it's just for me to install right now. So I want to install right now to the system. Don't I'll click on next. So right now the system is trying to install Xnest right now into my VPS. So once the installation is complete, you will see startup here finish. So when you click on finish, it will open the MT4 terminal for you. Now the MT4 terminal is very simple and straightforward. I have been able to log into to this account already on this server. So what I'm only going to show you, I'm going to show you on how to log in to your account. So you can come here, you right click here, you click on open an account or you click on login. If you have an account already, if this is your terminal belongs to your broker, just click on login. So all login details you'll be seeing here will be for your broker. But I've been able to add other brokers to this aspect. Now, to add any other brokers to your terminal is very easy. Just right click like this, click on open a new account. So let's say I want to add a new broker to this platform. So it's very easy for you to be able to write. So you can just type the name of your broker like this. Just type the name of your broker, then you click on scan. Let's say like right now I have Prime already here. Then you just click on scan. So scan is to bring in all Prime servers directly to your account. So it depends on whatever you are using. So once you pick the server that you want to use, then you click on next. Then you click on login to an existing trade. Then you input your login details and your password. Then you click on finish. Then that way you'll be able to log in into your account. Now I want to teach you on how to automate your trade. The first thing is make sure that you've been able to pin your account. You right click and you've been able to pin your MT4 to the desktop mode. So after you've been able to pin your MT4 to the desktop mode, now this is the next thing you need to do. Now you need to come to this folder. You come to local disk, you come to program files. I'll show you two ways whereby you can do this. Now the Extends account that I just installed, this is the Extends account I just installed. Then you click on this terminal, you right click and click on create shortcut. Now you rename this shortcut into any name that you can easily remember. So let's say I'm making this one as shortcut 1 like this. So then you can copy or you can use cut features. Then go to your desktop mode. You see startup like this. Then you can paste. I have an account, like I have a terminal already. Just paste the file under this startup. And just in case you don't see this startup right here on your desktop, on our YouTube channel where you're getting this video, this file's link will be added to the YouTube link. So it's very easy for you to be able to get and install to your VPS. Just copy and paste it to your desktop version, then you are good to go. So anytime your VPS restart and you have this here, your account is always safe and sound. So let's say I want to open a new MT4 account. I have one account already and I want to open more. Instead of me going to install that way, I can easily come here and copy and paste. Can you see? So this one is the first one. So this is the second MT4. So I can just rename this one as something else so that it will be different from others. So let me say this like this. Then I will double click. So before I will install, I can just click on terminal and create shortcuts like this. Then I can put this as, I can rename this as terminal 2, like this, terminal 2. Now the reason why I'm doing this, then you cut. This why I'm doing this is that if peradventure there is a server upgrade, irrespective of the server upgrade, you won't be affected. So you just come to here, then you paste. So once you paste all your terminals here, you are good to go. Anytime the VPS will start, any items on the terminal button will always be restarted, and will always restart by itself by the VPS. So right now I've been able to do terminal 1. So I double click on terminal 2 just to open the second VPS instantly, and you see that the second VPS will be opened right away for us. So you can see this is the first VPS and this is the second VPS. So you can right click this on this and click on pin to program taskbar. So I've been able to pin this VPS account. Then you should be able to log in your account, because this MT4 belongs to extents. That's why you're only saying extend server. So let's say I want to add poop prime. You just double click and click on poop prime like this. Then you click on search. Then you can see that poop prime server is now showing. So let's say I want to add OctaFX breakout to this. I'll click on OctaFX like this. Then I'll click on search. So OctaFX server is also displaying right now. So it depends on the one you want to use. Then you click on this, then you click on next, then you click on as you would log in, you click on existing trade account, then you log into your MT4 account and your password, then you are good to go. So if per adventure you are trying to double click an account, double click a link like this, and the system is not responding, or it is not loading, what you just need to do is you just need to restart. Now right now I want to restart this VPS, and I want to see what is actually going to happen when I restart this VPS. And I want to show you that this VPS, this account will actually start up by itself. Just in case there is a maintenance section whereby the VPS will start and your account didn't start, I'm giving you a another features whereby you can add as an extra security features to yourself. So right now, when I come here now, you come to this part here. So I want to restart the VPS. So right now, I've been able to start the VPS right now. And you can see instantly the VPS was able to open the account for me instantly. Can you see? This is where my account was before there was a restart, and the account is back, and you can see my account is logging back automatically. That is exactly how our VPS works. So I'm just giving you like just a safe measures that you can put in place just in case there is a hard reset button, this and date is being done, how to be on a very very safe side. Now you can see this part here is back to Rush. You can change it back to English, then you're good to go. Just don't forget that your MT4 terminal should always be on the startup. You can come back. You can come back here. Let's say I want to open another MT4 account. So I'll copy this. I'll paste like this. Now I just have to rename this so that it will be different from the second one. So let me put it at 2 like this. So I will double click and I'll click on terminal. Now right now I've opened this terminal, so I will just click on create shortcut for this terminal. Then I can rename this terminal as 3. So I can rename this shortcut as 3. Just rename it as 3 like this. The terminal is open already as 3. The shortcut, this is shortcut. You can see the sign of shortcut. So you come here, you click on cut. So when you click on cut, you go back to desktop, then you click on start up, then you paste your terminal 3 there. So right now, if I restart this VPS, terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3 will be on automatically, which means even if there's an hard reset, these 3 accounts will keep on running for life 24/7. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And for those that are using EA, it's very 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 easy to install your EA. Just come to this is where the EA is, and this is where the indicator is. But right now, for you to be able to install the EA, is very very easy. You come to file at the top, you come to open the data folder, then you come to MQL4, then you come to expert. So this is where you are going to paste your EA. Sorry, this is where you right click, you click on delete. So let me just look for an EA to copy, and a demo EA to copy and send to you. So right now I've been able to copy a demo EA that I want to use. So you copy and paste. Now this is a demo EA that I want to use to explain how to install. So if you also want to install indicator, you come to indicator part here, you long press here, then you can delete everything you have there. Then you can paste your indicator the same way like this. So your indicators will be showing as EX4. So now when you come to your expert advisor, you refresh like this, you see. So let me come to my indicator. Let me refresh my indicator. You can see this is the demo here, and this is the expert. So you need to clear all this because your broker might be using a different MT4. So right now I will need to be able to log in my account for me to be able to add. So right now I will come to your account, I'll right click, I'll click on login to trade. So let me just copy my account fast and I'll paste it in a minute. So right now I want to log into my account. So right now, sorry, I want to log into my account at the moment. So I'm going to add my password. So this is a demo account, XNEST trial 10. Then I'll click on login. So right now I'm waiting for it to log in. In few seconds the account should be in. Then remember, when you are trading with an EA, you must enable this auto trading, and this must be showing connected. I mean, it must be right now it's showing not available because it has not been able to log in. But once the login is successful, you will see the balance will change. So you can see that right now the balance of the account has changed. So let's say I want to add a chart to to this system. It's very easy for you to add chart. So let's say I want to add EUUSD like this. Then you drag and drop. And if you don't want to drag and drop, you can right click and click on chat window. Chat window is the same. So let's say you want to use 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. It all depends on what you want to use, and make sure that you always enables auto trading. You can disable it first and you can also enable it anytime you want to use. So right now, if I want to add my expert advisor, so you can do like this. You can attach it to chat, or you can drag and drop like this. Then you drag it out like this from here. Then you come here, then you allow DLL. You can also allow live trading. So if you have any setup that you want to do, you can come here and face in any setup that you want to do. Then you click on continue. So the moment now this EA now is not smiling, it ought to be smiling. Why is not smiling? Because you've not enabled this auto trading. So right now I've been able to enable auto trading. Right now this EA is smiling. Once this EA is smiling, it means that the EA is active and is working fine. Now if I want this like if I want to drag back this chart, like I want to drag it back to the last part, just click on this part here. It's to drag it back to the back. And if I want to remove the grid, like I want everything to be showing perfectly, just use Ctrl G like this and everything is working perfectly fine and okay. So you can drag this up depending on how you want. I always love my E8 and my chart to be full like this. It all depends on what you want to do. So, and it's very easy and straightforward. If there's any issue with your EA, you can always check the journal. The journal will tell you what is wrong from your EA. So once again I want to say thank you once again for buying VPS from us. And if you have any questions or any queries, please feel free to message our support center. We are always available 24/7. Thank you so much. We love you.